Cloudy AI not response problem. So guys, follow me my step and solve your Cloudy AI not response problem. So guys, first step, open your phone setting and scroll now, tap apps option, tap now, and manage apps option, click now, and search bar, tap, click, and you are search now Cloudy AI. So guys, tap Cloudy AI and Cloudy AI, tap now, and tap clear data option. So guys, tap clear all data option, click now, and OK option, tap now, go to back and open your Play Store app and search now Cloudy AI. So guys, update now your Cloudy app and open now, login your Cloudy app, and your problem 100% solved.